So let me take you back to mid-2020 last year, although having said that, I don't think many people want to. I was scrolling through Kickstarter to find innovative and new products out there that could perhaps help me with my content creating. And that's when I stumbled upon GravGrip, the battery-free camera stabilisation. Now, if you're familiar within this world of video and content creating, that a lot of creators like to use a gimbal, whether that's for their mobile phone, their DSLRs, and it doesn't have to be a physical thing either. Most action cameras have the built-in stabilisation, like GoPro Hero 7 Black for instance. And for us operators, we love to be able to record that smooth and stable footage. But that wasn't what caught my eye. The thing that actually caught my attention was how small this was, and the fact that this is actually to stabilise a GoPro and a smartphone. So here is the packaging. It arrived today. It's all sealed, brand new, ready to open for this video. My first thoughts are, it's really simple yet professional. It clearly tells you the benefits of using the products. It also has a QR code which you can scan on the side there, and it says here for the user guide. So of course, not only are the company saving money from production of paper instructions, but also saving the environment at the same time, which, as always on this channel, is a plus. So let's go ahead and take it out of its box. We've got what I can assume is the phone adapter. So this is an iPhone 11. We've got the phone adapter here. Let's see if that will fit. Yep, so that will comfortably fit an iPhone 11. And you know what? There is actually no problem at all getting the phone in and out of there at all. So I'm absolutely certain with these nice grips that are inside, you're not going to be able to lose, or your phone won't drop out. So I believe you get two counterweights there, so you can see these are really easy to screw on, screw off. So hopefully inside this white box it actually contains the GravGrip itself. So that is the main body of the GravGrip right there. Now it might feel a little bit cheap at first, but actually looking at it, it's got a really nice finish to it. Then the last part of the packaging is inside here, and that is the most important part, which is the adapter. So this particular kit cost me $29 US, which in UK terms is 21 British pounds. And the reason I got it for this price at the time is because it came from Kickstarter and this was their early bird offer. The idea behind this product is to allow you to stabilise your smartphone and your action camera when you're going out and about. So it comes with two modes. So you have the roll axis stabilisation and you also have the tilt axis stabilisation. Oh, that's a bit of a mouthful. For those of you with the gimbal will understand the pains of having to balance it, and of course the amount of work that goes into making sure that it's all set up properly. The same applies here, but hang on, it takes half the time, and that's using these screwed weights. You're able to balance and adjust exactly how you want your stabilisation to be. So, how are you finding this video? If you're finding it helpful, then why not hit that like button to let me know. Now, it is worth noting that you can actually purchase a specific extension pole to use this for activities like skiing, skateboarding, or perhaps to reach those heights for the wide angle shots. And if you don't want to use the extension pole, you can just use a standard hand grip. It's also waterproof, and by using these counterweights, you are able to control the speed. And when you have that extension pole option, it allows you to have a 360-degree rotation. The main thing to take away from this is that the products won't work unless you have the action cam adapter. Now, unfortunately, due to the current pandemic, and we are in our third lockdown here in the UK, I cannot go out and provide you with some test footage. Why not go and support GravGrip via the link in the description below? They managed to do very well in their Kickstarter. It was extremely successful, and I have high hopes that this product will be in everyone's kit bag. So have you got any questions regarding the products? Well, let me know down in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.